Flex last Friday dropping bombs, and not only on Cartel.
The Ireland is like, I get whole heap of WhatsApp call, you know what I mean? And when I get them WhatsApp call, I just know it's something right. And I say, Father God, please make my 3 kids them alright. My co-worker, my family and my friend them, because I know say when I get so much WhatsApp call, something wrong. I'm brave enough now and walk on my phone now and start read the message and them and say, yo, boom, Flex, Company Entertainment reporter, disrespect you, call you an idiot.
The biggest idiot of all. In company, every time I see him, I lock off my TV because I talk too much foolishness.
I say, yo, what Flex do that? And me and Flex is like, brother, you know what I mean? Come out and one camp. Alliance, Gully, you know what I mean? And I wake up, Harry go over Harry room and knock on him door and say, Harry wake up. I say, yo,
Harry who?
Harry I. That time my co-worker, me and him travel. Me and him work together. And I say, Harry, how Flex go on TV and diss me up and them somebody and Harry I say, boom, you sure a Flex? And I say, yeah. Harry I say, you sure a Flex from TOK? And I say, Flex from TOK. And I say, alright, when I check now, them I say, yeah, Flex, the dread from TOK disrespect me. Well, Mr. Miller, I never know you have an next Flex. One artist I know as name Flex is Flex in the Complex.
You play Flex's music at your dances?
Which one are the Flex them?
Flex from TOK.
When him using the group, I don't know if him have no more music now when me can play. He never reach out to me and say, boom, I want you to play a song for me. Or me and he never hold a conversation like how me and you have a conversation now. You know what I mean? So me, this brother you know, want to just show them him burden for me and the rest of my co-worker them. Because the man call the whole of the idiot, you know.
But does it matter to you? You care?
Well, I care, you know. Because remember this entertainment reporting and my kids them big, you know. You know what I mean? And I have people love me, you know. Once him call Boom Boom name with some bad comments, him draw people attention, you know what I mean? And you can't see a youth like me where I help so much people in the industry. I call me an idiot. You know
so
what
if
I mean?
he says sorry, I apologize, you'll accept the apology?
No. He have to come on the air and apologize. You know what I mean? Same place each part him come and diss me, he come back right here and apologize because at the end of the day now, you look on a youth like me now, I call me idiot. From my bus 2010, the amount of producer my bus, the amount of rhythm my bus, the amount of artists, you know what I mean? The amount of good I do for dancers, every area can check the levels.
But you also said that selectors are powerful and they can stop an artist if they want to, if the artist isn't showing them the right amount of respect.
Well, to tell you the truth, you know, you have some artists go around with us DJ in the street, you know what I mean? So we have to make the artists and know, say, yo, it's not a one-handed thing, one hand can't clap. You know what I mean? One hand can't clap. Because you have some artists, them bypass the street. So I say, and them go to the DJ them, you know what I mean, on the radio. And you have some artists now bypass the people them on the radio. You know what I mean? And link we at DJ on the street. So I simple as say, yo, one hand can't clap. You link the DJ them in the street, you link the disc jockey them on the radio, and everything alright. So come just a whole heap of artists where you say, have them hit song, I get them show respect in the street and also them show the radio disc jockey them respect. This brother you know, he may reach out to no DJ. He feel like if him comes to no email a song give you now, XX Flex. Nobody don't know your brother. Nobody don't know who name. So if I did email, we know and say TOK. We know the group name TOK.
But you know he's called XX though.
Because since he do this interview, you know, don't get me wrong, you know. The whole heap of people start talk about this man and say he's a madman, you know. Because when you come on the interview and say, you know, everything with this man you say out time out, you can see say this man bad mind, look like this man like him mother and him father never remember him for christening. This man not like nobody in the dancehall industry. This man just want to throw down him burden for somebody. You know what I mean? And this man want to seek attention now. And him comes and call my name, say me an idiot. And him call up Vybz Kartel name now. And him run the guy back at Maryland now. I show you, you know. And left now, the 2 members them in a TOK now, of the youth them, I feel watch over them shoulder. If nobody I go do them, nothing on the street. When me are telling the Jamaica people, they see them 2 youth there, a cool youth them youth they support the street at night time, so me don't want nobody see them and do them nothing, please.
You mentioned 2 names, Cartel and Alkaline. Who has the top song in Jamaica right now?
Well,
watch him now.
No, the top song in Jamaica right now, you know. A whole heap of top song.
Come on, Boom Boom.
Whole heap of top song.
Well, Cartel or Alkaline, who is leading the pack right now?
Well, you don't know the teacher. So I say one of the body lyrics is, but Alkaline have a song you know name After All. So I say, yeah.
So what you're saying, Alkaline has the top song, but Cartel is the top artist?
Well, Cartel in our class by himself. I'm tell you already.
Yeah, but I asked you for the top song. Who
the
has
top
the
song
top
right
song?
now, I'm tell you, I don't want top song, you know, but just say you ask me about Cartel.
Give me
Alkaline.
one song, Boom Boom, one song.
Alkaline song name After All. I go on good in the street. So I say, big song in the street. Right? Yeah.
So that's your number one?
My number one song.